Hey guys, it is Vlogmas day 4. Sorry, I am really sick now. Like yesterday I felt a little bad and my throat started to hurt a little bit. Today it's like full force. My throat is so sore. I'm not doing a lot of makeup by any means. I like literally have like 10 minutes. I'm using this Misha Cushion Compact. It's the little bare one. I need to clean them up and put a refill in it because this one's like gone. And I have like this breakout on my neck. I can't get it to go away. It's so weird that I'll break out there. But I really like this cushion compact because it's just enough to literally make you look like you still have no makeup on and just kind of even it out a little bit. I even take this like right under my eyes too. And I can tell, even though I'm sick and I'm tired, drinking all that water helped my dark circles. Like, and getting rid of some of that salt. I also drank some of my detox tea. I swear that helped because I'm exhausted right now. I definitely didn't get enough sleep, especially considering the fact that I'm a little on the sick side. So the fact that my dark circles actually look better, it's crazy. I'm just going to use a little primed and poreless. Oh, what the hell? So despite the fact that I'm sick, I do need to go to Target probably on the way home. So I will take you guys along with that. We'll do like a little shop with me. We'll have to do like a proper holiday get ready with me or tutorial or something. Let me know in the comments what kind of look you guys would like. You want like a glam holiday? You want an everyday winter look? Something crazy? Let me know. So that's like the quickest brow ever. Okay, while I'm looking crazy, I'm gonna go finish this other brow and get ready. I will be taking you guys throughout my day with me. Just a good old-fashioned follow me around regular life vlog.
Why are you driving like this?
Alright guys, I know the lighting is crap, but I am headed to work. I've got some coffee. So crazy, I put that Jeffree Star unboxing in yesterday's vlog, not thinking, I was just like, oh, this will make the vlog better because I'm not doing anything, so here you go. I didn't realize that it would be such a watched video. I do think it's funny, however, that anytime I do a video involving Jeffree Star, like, I tend to get more negativity. And why would people watch it? Like, I know you guys watching this vlog today probably have nothing to do with that. Like, it always confuses me. If you don't like Jeffree Star, do not click on a video about his products. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me. The same goes with like the Victoria's Secret haul. Some people don't like seeing like panties and stuff. Why the hell would you click on that video? It's so funny to me. I am on my way now, so let's go to work.
I've been waiting for hours, so many hours, watching every card, hoping one is yours, waiting for hours, waiting for you to come home. I've been waiting for hours, so many hours, watching every star, wondering where you are, waiting for hours, waiting for you to come home.
now it is about, gosh, it's almost 9 o'clock. So this vlog may be going up a little later than I really wanted to, but sorry about that. It was just one of those days. I had a lot of work today. I'm off tomorrow, thank goodness, and I'm feeling like I need to be because I'm still feeling really icky. I've been drinking a ton of water, which seems to help, at least temporarily while I'm drinking the water. Also, my little humidifier helps a lot. I don't feel like my skin is nearly as dry using this. I have it on every night while I sleep. I set an 8-hour timer on it so that way I can sleep and make sure there's hydration flowing all the time, and I swear it's helped a lot. So this one, my little one's from Homedics. I picked it up at Walmart. I got a few things tonight from TJ Maxx and Target. The pajamas that I'm wearing are the ones I showed you guys in Target. These are really cute. They have like little pine cone designs. There's some places that have like little berries, but it also has these flowers like this right here. So it's very like girly. I feel like it's not so wintry that you couldn't wear them year round, but they're also kind of fall like. So I don't know, I'm liking them. The matching pants and their thermals, they were on sale for $12. I picked up this gift wrap for $2.99 at TJ Maxx. It's so cute. It's got all these little animals, polar bears and penguins, deer. It's really cute and girly. It makes me want to like throw a little pink in and do like a softer theme. This isn't a huge roll, but again, it was only $2.99, so it wasn't bad. At TJ Maxx, I also got this pair of pajama pants. You guys know I cannot not buy pajamas. These are by Ink and Ivy, and they have these brown bears on them with trees, and then they have kind of like a checked design. So I think it's really cute. Let me show you the little bears close up. So cute. I don't typically go for blue, but these were just so pretty I couldn't help it. So $10 for those. I picked up two little things at TJ Maxx from like the beauty section. The first is this Bliss Ingrown Eliminating Pads. It's to help with like ingrown hairs and stubble, to keep stubble from causing trouble. So I have very sensitive skin to shaving. Like for whatever reason, my skin hates it. But obviously I'm not going to stop like shaving my legs and my armpits and everything. So hopefully these might help. And it says you shower, take a single saturated pad, and you rub it over incoming stubble. Okay. And guys can use it on their beards. Use daily between waxing or shaving sessions for smoother, bump-free skin. Okay, so I will have to try these out and let you guys know if they make a difference. I got from Stila Glitter and Glow. This is in the shade Ballet Baby. I want to say that maybe this one was exclusive to Ulta. I really don't know because I don't remember seeing this shade at Sephora. And you guys know they haven't been out that long. It's been, gosh, like a year maybe. I feel like if it's been 2 years, I'm surprised, but it's, you know, it hasn't been an incredibly long amount of time. And this one was brand new. I was excited to see that. And this is like a soft baby pink. The little focus hocus. Okay, there we go. So really pretty. I feel like I could top a lot of things with this. And these are just so pretty. And this was only $7.99. So I'm really excited to have found this. They occasionally have like the more creamy ones, not the Glitter and Glow, but the Shimmer and Glow. But it was in like a color I got in gratis, so I didn't pick it up. So this is the first one I actually bought at TJ Maxx. And then at Target, I also got these. They're the Project 7 Champagne Dreams Roots and Rosé Gourmet Gummies. I thought it was going to be a bottle. That's disappointing. So they're like gummies. I actually did like a little detox tea last night, and I haven't eaten today. I'm just letting my body rest because my stomach gets upset. Every time I have like sinus drainage, my stomach always gets really upset. So I thought, you know what? This is the time. I drank my Teamy detox tea. I know I haven't talked to you guys about that in a while. I really do like Teamy, but I am not consistent with it. So I was consistent for a little while, so I continue to like talk about it. But if I can't use it constantly and like 100% say I use it constantly and it works, then I don't really want to like tell you guys that it's great. Now the detox tea works for sure. The skinny tea, I just honestly, I'm really bad about drinking. I love my coffee, and that was a struggle for me. Like if there was a skinny coffee, that would be more my speed, because I just can't let go of my coffee. You guys know, like I've been talking about that half calf. I've been loving that. So that's really all I picked up. I got creamer and I got cat food. So not really a big haul or anything, just a few little things. But I also got one thing today from work. So this is a piece of gratis that we were able to take home separately. And this is the new Benefit roller liner. So it says Matte Woman and her sidekick, Cat Eye. I love the little cat. So cute. So roller liner precision matte liquid liner. They always do like cute little packages to tell you about it. And it also came with a full-size roller lash, which I'm really excited about. When I just decluttered my mascaras, I kept my little baby roller lash, and then I used it the next day and I was like, oh, this is almost pretty dry, so this is like perfect timing. I love this mascara. And then I got roller liner eyeliner. So it's got like a really long tip to it. Ooh, that looks really good. If you guys would like to see this in a video, I can do like a holiday get ready with me full face of first impressions. I don't know. I could like try out a bunch of new stuff with you. So I want to try this soon and let you guys know what it's like, because I don't think it's launched yet. I don't know when this actually launches. It retails for $22. But I'm super excited. I'm really glad that I got that. I do love me some Benefit. So that's everything, and I am going to go ahead in this vlog now and say goodnight so that I can get it up for you guys before it's too terribly late. That looks really nice. I just did like a little swatch, but I really want to like try it, you know what I mean? And then give you my full thoughts. So yeah, that's it for now. Tomorrow I am off. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. It's totally dependent upon how I feel. And I need to do some Christmas shopping, but I'm like stumped. Like, my dad literally wants this set of really old shows, which I'm going to order, no problem. But for my mom and for Zach especially, I'm like super stumped as to what to do. I got his sister something. We all do like Secret Santa, so I already got that taken care of. I actually got my Secret Santa. It was the Amazon gift card from one of his other sisters, because we all did it. So yeah, I don't know. I want to go shopping and I'm like stumped. Zach's like, don't give me anything. But obviously I'm going to get him stuff. I'm like, if you don't tell me something, I'm going to waste more money on you. And you won't probably get anything you like, since I'm just going to pick random stuff out. So yeah, I need to do that. But if I feel better tomorrow, I may go and do a bit of shopping, specifically just looking for other people. My mom and Zach and my dad really are the big ones. And then if I feel yucky, I will try to do something at home though, like more interesting. I know you guys were really sweet in the comments too, like telling me that it's not boring and they're still good and all that. But like, I don't want it to be just me sitting at home talking to you. But that's what we're doing now. So thank you again for watching Vlogmas day number 4. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and leave me a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.